Hello friends and welcome to my channel ANATYX, and in this video I will show you how to use the trim function in Microsoft Excel. The trim function in Microsoft Excel is very useful and it deletes the unwanted extra spacings that we have between characters. So right now if you see in column F, the data set that I have, the column that I have, it says North, then it has some extra space, then it says the name Ramesh, and then some extra spaces, and then have pencil. Similarly, south between. So if I arrange the order now properly, what I could do is I could use the trim function to remove the unwanted spaces. So for that what I do is equal to trim open bracket, select this cell where I want to remove the unwanted spaces, close bracket, hit enter. So now if you see, it says North space Ramesh space pencil, no unwanted extra spaces in between. What you can do is, if you want to have it across for the entire column, you can just copy and drag it down there till here. Simple. So friends, hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the thumbs up icon, which is the like icon below, and also do subscribe to my channel so that in case whenever I post new such videos, you get early notifications. So bye bye for now friends, and I will see you later. Thank you.